Good morning, sir. Today I will explain the compartmentation. Compartmentation is the division of the ship's interior into the distinct independent section using waterlet vertical walls, bulkheads, and horizontal decks. This design strategy is the primary method of maintaining waterlet integrity as it limits the spread of water in specific areas in the event of a hull breach, preventing aggressive flooding and ensuring the vessel remains buoyant. So, how compartmentation affects waterlet integrity? Containment of flooding. If hull is breached occurs, bulkheads function or barriers that contain the incoming water, preventing it from flooding the entire ship. So, motto. Buoyancy and stability. By isolating damage to a single compartment or limited number of compartments, the ship retains enough buoyancy to stay afloat. Damage localization. It allows damage control teams to focus their efforts on specific localized area rather than fighting to save the entire vessel at once. 1-2 compound standard ships. Ships are designed to remain afloat even if a specific number of adjacent compartments are flooded. Example, 2-compartment ship can survive 2 flooded sections. So last is protection of vitals. Key areas like engine room and machinery spaces are surrounded by watertight bulkheads to keep the ship powered and functional. So this is the picture of the compartments of the ship. That's all, sir. Thank you.